What it do, guys? Another new day. It is Saturday the 10th and I am here in Pai still. New hostel. This is NOLA Hub Hostel. Beautiful view out the window here. We're in the hallway. I'll give you a tour of my room later, but I just want to show you kind of what the building looks like. 4 bathrooms per floor. The usual beautiful floral. Yeah, I'm just gonna pass down. This is the kind of the main hub for everything. The yard, hanging out. What is up, folks? So it's later in the day. Ended up hanging at the pool. I'm sure you see B-roll of that. Chilling here with Sophie, looking at the sunrise or sunset. I don't know why we always keep saying that.
We keep mixing it up.
Yeah, we keep mixing sunrise and sunset. But we're here at this place called Two Huts. It's a pretty popular spot to hang. This afternoon I didn't record, but I ended up helping my friend Toby, who's from England, and learn how to ride a scooter. So that's what I spent the afternoon doing. Went and got a nice breakfast, which I got a little B-roll of.
Yeah.
And now we are just kind of watching the sunset. Thank you. Got me a smoothie. Not a bad gig. Alrighty, folks, it's after the sunset and we are having northern Thai dinner. Sausage, pork, I guess green curry, I don't know. Pork, curry. I don't know what the greens are. I don't know what these two are. And that's like basically chicharron. But as you can see, we're killing it off.
You actually basically used I don't know what this is.
I said sausage!
I would guess what this is. I'm not quite sure what this is. I don't know what those two are, and this is something great.
As you can tell, our grade 8 Thai transportation. Keep all of your hands and arms and legs in the vehicle, besides these people at the fucking back. Actually came out really well. Alrighty, folks, so I'm whispering because I'm in the dorm. Last night was crazy. No, it was pretty fun. But I have to check out the hostel right now. Alrighty, folks, so the audio here was unbearable, so I just scrapped it and figured I'd give you kind of an explanation of what's happening here. So, the NOLA hostel in Chiang Mai was absolutely awesome. As you can see here, I have a cubby capsule kind of bedding. I have inlaid LED lights. I have 2 plugs, and I have actually my own windows, which I can control the temperature in my pod. So there is AC that was pumped in there, but as you can see, I'm showing you out the window. It was really cool to be able to have that. You could look at and see if your friends are coming, and in this one, you ended up having blinds or a privacy shade on both the front and back of the pod. So it was really cool because in this hostel, I was living at the top and my friend Lola was on the bottom bunk. So it was nice to be able to have your own separate space, have your own curtains to be able to draw around you, but at the same time, have all these luxuries that normally aren't in every hostel that you stay or aren't as common in every hostel. What is up, guys? It's about 2:30. Had a very easygoing day. Had to switch rooms, and everyone's been just kind of doing their own thing today, just recuperating after the jungle party last night because it was just so full on. And right now I'm actually going to give you guys a quick tour of Pai on the scooter so that you guys can kind of see the layout. Vlogging here has been a little bit, up and down because I have been doing a lot of hanging, a lot of chilling. So yeah, I just wanted to guys take you guys around to show you kind of what the town is about and what it's like. So I don't know if you can hear me with the engines and the cars and the wind, but this is heading straight into the town of Pai. We're gonna make a left up here onto the street they close on every night. Pai has a walking street every single night. So these red barriers on the left indicate the walking street. But they have shops, permanent ones all up and down here. And then on the street during the evening, which you have seen me, you know, videotape a bit, that is where all the vendors will be. So this is kind of where you get all the things you need. It's touristy, there's a bunch of locals as well, but it's kind of quiet and pretty quaint. This is the main intersection down this way, the T, the walking street continues. This back street here during the day is pretty quiet with some nicer shops, but during the nighttime, this is where the late night bars are open. So that's the general idea of the main part of Pai. There's of course a bunch of other parts of the city and town, but that's kind of the predominant one that you do most of the business, take care of your food needs, scooter rentals, and so on and so forth. So just wanted to give you some idea of what that looks like. In the canyon, folks. You good?
You
Yeah.
good?
Boom, there you go. What's up, folks? Last night here in Pai, closing out the Pai Canyons. It's me and Stefan. We're hanging out here, exploring a little bit further into the canyon. Beautiful sunset. Going to be closing out at probably the Jazz Club and some street food in a little bit, but we are going to start heading back. But Pai's been awesome. Had a wonderful time here, met some great people. It's been very chill. And then from here tomorrow, we'll head back to Chiang Mai. But yeah, we're going to get going and let's get some of that street food. Getting that mango sticky rice. She's picking the right mango for me. That's different. Premium mango for the boy. Premium mango for the boy.
This is the best. This is the best.
Oh, this is Uno, folks. One of the homies. Been traveling.
From down under Australia.
Picking up some patches. I got the India, I got the Vietnam, and I got the Thailand one.
And he got the beaches.
Which one are you getting?
Thailand. Can I get that one, please? Yeah. Thank you.
What is up, folks? So late start to the vlog today. It is 2:36, December 12th, and I was supposed to be in Chiang Mai, or leaving Pai at, I think it was like 10 o'clock, but I'm still here in Pai, hanging with some of the crew, and we are here at the Bamboo Bridge. Came up into the hills, and there's this really cool kind of garden, and eateries all through here. And the whole walkway is made out of bamboo. Quinn giving us a demo on this steel contraption overhanging the water buffalo. Wrapping up our time here at the Bamboo Bridge, getting some fresh coconuts, smoothies.
They're so delicious.
So good. One of the best coconut I ever had.
I'd agree. That's probably one of the best coconuts I've had so far.
So cold.
All right, folks, it's about that time. I am leaving Pai, leaving way later. Had a great time at the Bamboo Bridge, having a bit of a smoothie, slow day. I am heading to Chiang Mai. It says it's gonna take me about 2 hours and 40 minutes. I don't think it's gonna take that long, but we'll see. It's about 5 o'clock, so I've got about 50 minutes before dark. So let's get on the road. Let's see how far we can get before it gets too dark. And we'll get into Chiang Mai this evening. So I'll see you guys there.